because so HHOBB I was subscribed to Emadek TV na okoso share YouTube videos nyame enhyiramo onyamo kase na o mama kuma so ade na emrem ene yasan aba Akete Mpenisem sensem no so biem ne de be amede asem ne fa no ebe ye mu nyina awanwa me say menye obi am so bo no so be anokora woro na mede beto enti wonu obi a woni mu pa nipa ne be ka kire wo se ampa Emade onye obi a wotwa ntoro na so so yesu but wo mo aya no mu nim se di su bantie na ejuru ba bi o ma dwen se bi amenka na okora na se bi twa ntoro da bi me even is black is black, even is blue me ka no okora na ida akiro nti sometimes no because of say ni ema no nti na ebi mo mpe ya so se anya aye pe no okora ndi ebi mo mpe ya asem because ohun se ohun abeka na we say obeka ndi obeye bi obeka bia nti no ohun se hey we papa na ye da ye beka ye bebo aba so eyen so ye beka enti ye ni pasa ndi omunye den omumpe ya asem na ne se omupo omumpo me asem a me pese me ka no me dem se ebi mu beta me dem se ebi mu so be hu ne se ebi asem amba beka no enya asem ehunya anase nya asem bia wo ba hwe me bebie mu ani so woni bebi mu wate isan se sometimes ejuru bebi o mamie mfa emotions emfa nkasa na mamie mfa me mentan Akete Mpenisem na menye se me pakete maame asem too much it is a nurse man ba be kono ko ni favor no nkire se maame me pa na asem too much na no so nkire se me tan maame na too much yes maame no oye ni niema bi wo wa na mani nye ho ejuru ba bi me ko friend would di matem and say niema nkete ni nyina no maame so me wo me own opinion about the woman. But the name seminar maybe Bekano is for the betterment of Akete Mpenisem. I still love Akete because we innocent child. And Obie knew also used to Akete Drimu edidi. Obie knew also used to Akete Drimu edidi. So Obi no Akete year juma. Say ne be you ni Akete year juma. No tuya ne ka fine. No marketing. Me yanke se many tuya. I see everything. It's not like so Obi never Babeka tell me there be. Me ye ko program Akete bomebo. So it's not like me yenchen yo program Akete bomebo. Ye ko program bia na Akete obomebo. Na me pagya no. Eju ba bi kura me Akete sheka enu me na me gina Akete nchen e wo ka enu. Na me kai se that day ni mato kosua ene ayi bia mana na ori. Na me na me gina nchen wo ka enu to make sure say enkwala na betwa no mo ahia no. Obi anya yi eju ba bi kura no be so twa pictures kura no. Nia na me sanso ma mo yi ni pia bonten a ehwetwa esa pictures no. But no cram person mo ne say ye won kofo bu wo mo de ma ya ma jo so ba be yi so Akete hu de didi asan kofo ni nyina ye ba be yi wo mu nyina ma ne de e mo mo say mo nyina yi ni mo ensa ne ma na mo ye ne mfa nkosi ba bia na me ka start here firi ba bi na me de be wie ba bi se utie audios bi am nsa kan ba bi no ye bo Tony Sobro se ono ene ma o mo GBU Akete FBU nsem ene ba bi nso ye bo ye friends Tony so dey some screenshots bi a kire say ne sister ena o frɛ no Tony o ne sister ena chatting on Facebook e di ne sister ne chatting on Facebook no ena o ka kire ne say Tony mfrɛ no ti emu na Tony no kopɛ ne sister no o si data ko no ni ne sister number se den bibisa ena onu momu no ye den e frɛ ne sister no to o frɛ na ne sister no ba be complain say ne ba ne Akete say no no kura no Tony boss data mbo no tan hwe comedy zan no kura no Akete kura no onim say ne sister no wo baba ti onim say Akete Mpenisem kura no ne sister bana enti emunu no oba frɛ na ne sister no be ye complain e fa bi ho de kire no say ye friends abranti bi ne me ba ne ye adwuma na adwuma no ne me ba ne ye no che say bua no so wo bu me ba ne de e fa so ni ne me mentie adwuma na Tony so saa oba ne Akete ye ne se ne sa dia me kura minim ye na metumi aye den aboa na mpa ofa eja uncle papa o wa adwumpa wo ne ba ne na ne wo fa se Akete wunti no ono ye se ne obeboa Akete eti ono mbo ne create YouTube channel no a ofa ye friends en the phone an o twatwa ebidia ugotie ada audio no so a nsem ewo mu no different so what you say tell me chechi mu kire no nsem ewo audio no different me nya Tony audio is just a video a Facebook screenshot bi o minsa kan ye but mommy anko ni nkotu audio na ye complaining effort Tony hu say ono enema Akete Mpenisem bi yu ntemuti mommy anko ni nkoti mra
me sheda efre Akete maame ena mi bisa no na anu ya asem ebobo ba na bisa say kwan be so pa na fa so a woji Akete free be you nsam because right now no ye nim asem ni nyina mu enti da wo se wo ka nokre na ewo mu nyina na ye hu nokre ewo mu no na so obi kasa wakasa mo because ebeto omre bi kama ye ji ade ne first you know Antonio se oba aba be kasa na boy bi se omra na o me kasa na onu di kan be kasa Ghana fo betie na asem na o madi Akete maame atem na Akete maame se ye fakọ na wanti mi ama ena na no so asemi ba ya pe director nuai osi a ono control channel be 5 nti ono so de kwa ye na mse momfa nko na muni se maame ni nim kasa mini esi wo mani ma minimu de mini se maame ne nye boni bia etiri se mo de ba abonti a mekasa ama maame no meka no kura minim na Ghana fo ati asem ni mienu nyina no ma jeje eti me sheda ye dai efre Akete maame no ena me bisa ne se die ne si ya woje ne ba ne fi bi yo no so se bi you na nkasa kra tie no obeka no kra me se bi you ni se sa se ni si se o se sa kra ni ko school ta ma na ko my school se ma hwan no ko school na bi you akofa no ko school na bi you akofa na teacher for no headmistress no frɛ ma ame no ejo o se dan na ma ame no ma frɛ no se bi you akofa akra na fi school mo se na headmistress no kra bu afu ejo no so no ma ame ni bu afu nti wo Antoni wo ya fu ya de wo osa ejo no ma ame mo ba ho na mo ba baji aduro na be se family asem de o mo kana akra ni ba sem ba mu na ono no e kan se bi you hanadwen wo so na akofa akra ni fi school mu se na Antoni ka so Akete no wate ni din bebre wo yi so no onim se ni sister ne ba no o se na ate se Antoni no onta ehunu nti no na Antoni no o mo ai so mo ti ba bi o mo nsa anta amben enti no Antoni ni so onim se Akete ye ni staba na obi san se sika se na o de ma na so o ma ni 7 million na wa top provisions ama na Antoni no o so no ye adwuma o YouTube mu o enti no ono so wo YouTube channel ho na sa YouTube channel no sania Akete din page no any views so abi you di nya no se bi you e ma akra ni sa sika na se bi you use akra no sa sika na o de ma ni nya na funti no ono be bia ma akra no na wonim YouTube mu to obi ni nua se ne o ma kan muti abom enti maami ono onim hwe enti na ma asem ne ba mo de ko hyehyɛ kuma wufo mo de ko hyehyɛ hinfa nyina na wo Antoni hu na wo hye akire wona wo call Instagram mo se ne ye fra no me de minim ni di na akon se bi you de Akete birthday akwakoto ho ena wo be ka kire wo sister se wa hu se bi you de Akete birthday abeto wo se eba eti wo ko kire bibi ato ho se this time nya Akete ni bi you na be di birthday na ena wo ko kire koto ho eti enu na bi you ko hu ya bi you betna se obeye audio na osu obeye video na osu no mo se kuma ufu obi ma je wo na nya kuma ubia wo Antoni ya wo na wo ye den wo ko kire sa de ne ebeto ho Ema Ghana fo di matam me kra me bisa wo se na de na wunyi wanim na won kasa because won se wo sister so won kasa Antoni ka kire me san empo no on peso obeyi nanim because sa na aba na se bia ukoyi wanim na panyimu bi ko hu na se kina bi no hia bibia bia na nipa no ko hu no kaya bia na wan fa ama ena ma we sister Ghana fo di na tem because ono ko kan na se wan hu asam na ka ena o mu di na tem atem a Ghana fo di ni nyina no enso omo ka se maami agi 300 million na maami nje hwe maami di suni ho ne ma wonje hwe na se ubie channel ni wie na hu se channel na page wo se channel ne ye wodia because una ubie nje ye wodia se wo Antoni no wasen abie channel foforo na wo promote channel no Akete ayimu na wo na ma akire na wo send message man krofo se wo sister no na wonye na wo sister na ni brisika na de mo won krofo bebra empo se we ka so munye audio so mra ombe audio so amama se Antoni na ma akire a wo frefro mo okeka nsem wo na me no minjira ma bone me mentai nipa se nipa me hu se waya me bone a mentai no wahu eti ye ya ma be gina wachina ye kan asa ma akra ne fa ne din ye na empo wo kwa wo Antoni aka kire wo sisa na wonim se mmiri bi beduru nkrofo ne ba gi afiri ni nsem na se obi na ka o se ye beto obi ade ento obi ade de dwane ngu wahu eti wu ena wo ma wo sister we gi Akete fi bi you say because maame no na oni bi you rom ho de bia na omko ho na omo abesiesie omuto na omko nti maame no onim hwe onim YouTube mo onim Facebook mo onim hwe a ono kwa akokọ gi ne ba na free bi you okọ gi free bi you ha wan na be ya ama no wo na wo ahye wo sister no say wo betima aye because wo ye na se no wo no ni sister no be ye ya e say wo ni nkrofo akoye baako mo pese say sister ni ye nipa bonefo eso sister no onye hwe na ye ko kan bia wo Anthony no wo to wo say me na me the biggest problem for Akete nyankobo say nyame judge God will judge because wo and we the big problem because wo buy na nka wo di akoma pa and wo no sister ni ye ni te say ni auntie Dore ni ofa ni sister eye adwuma ko bia ntimu ma mewura but wo kita wadwen akora keto 5 years one de ne ko abrochi akobo tutu wo ko ka kire wo maame no papa sa because o mo ni mu bibia nti o so mo ko frɛ o mo maame obia be ka so obeji akwana na wakoka sese na waka che wo sister san wo no wo a wo sha ase na oduru ba bi nya ahwe na ode be ma obi di akọ ene esesa ade a wo no be yeden obetim de akwana kwana wo fa che na ne ma no na ese wan kasa no ade no na wo ya ma wo nti ka wo se ka wo ni wo sister ne ka na ka wo ka che ma wo sister ne ti asese bia ma fa akora no menini ye adwuma se na bi yu ni ye adwuma nti bia boso me metua wo sei na wo sister ne ti ase but wo ma wo sister ne spend ni sika nyina wo na unwie makasa waji channel no na mimi medi wachi. I'm not that stupid. What?
Eti audio no ani akwakoti abla. Se mo angase matimu nsem. Audio no yakwakoti aba no. Now me sanso e ba be bosom audios bi a. Na Tony emla maame na ne ye frɛ no se mama friend say ama sister ama ba adwuma ni mu aba be support no. Na Tony no wo issues na owo problem with that nti no mpese obeye den obema kwan na Tony ne mpese obema kwan ma sister na aba beye den aba be support adwuma no because no hu ni say sister na just a fan ontimi ba me take control of any channel and whatever it is and also no audio
and there wasn't anything about this. So if you are a fan that you are coming to help, come and help. Don't come and take control of any channel. Nti channel no me farmer will be and then me farmer will be china. Access no me farmer will be so if you are coming to help, then come and help. Don't come and take control over us. So what people seek a kora train scanner bar, they will refund your money to you. Don't tell us what to do. Me for channel no will be so channel be more dear. This one is everything that is there. No, it's just by force. You don't know anything about YouTube. You don't know anything about YouTube. You don't allow us to do the work, but still, you do, and then you are bringing confusion. I was doing my YouTube before I opened Akete's own, so I'm not new to YouTube, but just that the respect I had or the reason why I was having the time to also learn something that I don't know from everyone. The two of you are come to this, like to bring misunderstanding, to bring confusion, so that I will back up and for you to have access to the channel, and I will never give the channel to you people again. For now, I'll never give the channel to anyone, no matter how it is. I'll never give the channel to anyone because no one called me to come and open the channel. I did it from my heart to come and support because of what happened. So if you are telling me that you are coming to help, come and help us. Don't come and control us. This one, if I take it like the part, yeah, I think it will not help me because if I keep quiet, it will not help me. I have to take it the way they think it is. Before we even started work, and there wasn't anything about this. So if you are a fan that you are coming to help, come and help. Don't come and take control of any channel. Nti channel no me farmer will be and then me farmer will be china. Access no me farmer will be so if you are coming to help, then come and help. Don't come and take control over us. So what people seek a kora train scanner bar, they will refund your money to you. Don't tell us what to do. Me for channel no will be so channel be more dear. So Imana Amma came to achieve his aim. That's why she said, "I've withdrawn last month money, and if not that, who will tell me that I'm spending? I've withdrawn 200 million. They call my mother that I've withdrawn 200 million. So my mother is even worried that if I have that 200 million, I will not even waste time to call her for hospital bill and other stuff. So Monday she asked me to even come tomorrow, but tomorrow I won't be able to make it. Monday I'll go there and I'll go with my mother. So we will show everything to them from where the withdrawal is going or where there's no withdrawal. So whatever it is, they will know what to do. But if that accusation, I've never sold someone 1 city before. Even if I steal that, it's going to be my mother or my dad, but not someone else money or company's money.
eno so audio no ne yakwakwati aba no eti no in a way Tony was also having an issue with the fact that no person obia be wura channel nim say oba be yi and the minim ye nti pote because I think say one no bia no on 10 be video bia because no on sister now say because the chile no almost have can boom e mo nyina be ye fine e mo start so mo ye adwuma na mabosa audios we nyina wi na fe na me ba be kire wo be tu mire ama mahu se ne nsem no ba bia keka akọ ye betumi achechi mu ye ni aba bia wo se no kora da no ne ye de ato Akete Mpenisem emra biyu ene Akete nsem we na ba bontini nyina no na asem na dinkin ahyase da somewhere your friends in November nim ketekete na ase ene ukofa Akete anane mama yesi ukoyesi anane mami yesi ene ne ba ye ba ne be ko school a whole lot of things it is some person muhu bibia ye pa ya mo de mo mpom gohwe even the date no kura mpa bi you na esikukuti start adwuma ye kura no I think was somewhere December ni mpo atim so ending of November December ni so what I say now Akete eba bedi ni birthday ana bi you eko post to Instagram say dey say Akete episode di ni birthday and I think say Instagram num na bi you ko post to ye no I think say that day na the chance in 2 days time no and na Tony me bought Tony because Facebook page ni nyina no Tony dey create here it ukọ Akete Facebook page from beginning and try bia ne brofu bia ne da obia no Facebook na try bi Tony na try here we say Facebook na Tony na try because we teacher ni it Tony na try sa brofu no ye den egu ho enti emma Tony ebe try gu Facebook wo say obia ignore the nsem na cost because o just say you kra na say as a video no mu no sa yi na o ye yes in video as a baby na say Akete mu wo bi so omo wakra na Akete birthday no enye anki bi you ene be di birthday na ama Akete ebi ana mu bi mu rafi sa asem mu because ebi that na asem na my testimony anko sa Facebook page no ye de ye ni ko Facebook page no because na ye wo ye aware say ye be hu so mo create Facebook page ama Akete eno mo ko twere sa ansem no bu wo say uncle be you enyo no be di Akete birthday na ide ama no na emprepom no o me ba be chechim ne nti a enya uncle be you ne be di Akete birthday na ide ama no wakra enche Akete Mpenisem ebe ba be start adwuma etiem no na ma be you hu ye no ena ma on the 28th February no be you eba ben bonten ebe ye den ebe ye ni sa ni video na wo ye no enti be you ye ni video no ewie ye no wodo because be you ye ni video 28 February enti wodo na che say esi anonsem no boboba ne ade afide akoju ba bi se obi atumi kan nse ne ade enti on the 8th March enna Tony ebe post to entire bi ni nsem bi e Facebook na ne nsem na wo kan so si notice #Akete notice #Akete has no YouTube channel, has no Instagram page, has no Telegram page or group, no manager as others claimed, no director as others claimed on 8th March. And Tony Ebetre side in Facebook. This is the only platform that is Akete Mpenisem no. Na your Facebook page no makite no. O say eno no the only platform ye Akete dia. Enti ni followers eno nkofo edon no. Omo follow, omo share. O say please like, follow and share as we wait for the best of Akete and others and other outcome. Our intent is to do the right and needful thing. Let love lead. We are much grateful for your support and love to Akete and to us. Please like, follow and share. Thank you all. I'm going to buy a hashtag nime bi ni ade. It's not Tony bro fun more debt because you teach any. To no na church say any no. Egu. Eti on F no be church say any man egu no. And on the 23rd March Tony Bible on TBM no sabetre announcement. Akete Mpenisem YouTube channel has been successfully created. Mbese taking notice of nyama bi are created. Akete Mpenisem YouTube channel has been successfully created. The word created. Okay, the word created. So let's look at the noun here. Now, English kakra no. Now na ewa ha no ye the Akete Mpenisem no. And na the verb na no so wa ha no e create no. Enti no sesi ano edin na da eyi no so no ye Akete Mpenisem. And na adwumadi a akoso no e na ye created no. Enti no mpeso mo che say sesi ano Akete Mpenisem YouTube channel no omabie. Now the name of the channel is Wendy Akete TV. Midinka be ka kire mo say emro mu bi a YouTube channel no omo ye edin Wendy Akete TV. Na mo ka se meboa. And to see below is a first video from Akete Mpenisem to all her fans across the world, which will be published at 6 a.m. GMT. What you say? 80 I think say ahomache 434 and na Tony aye 23 ahomache 424 na Tony e create channel no and we post to sa ayi our platform no on Facebook platform no and no make announcement say and past 6 o'clock Akete first video ever drop it. Akete first video ever drop it. And on that 23rd now we create YouTube channel we yen Wendy Akete TV. But on yes announcement no on page no so no. Na followers no kono mo kwhwehwe na omu nhunu. And on be change because omukọ a onom kọbọ Wendy Akete ne Wendy Akete Mpenisem bebre na mpo no ekoyiso o ye Akete Mpenisem ne ade na ne say element na biyu ho nsem ana na eba biyu ne Akete ho nsem ana eba. Because that was the intention to me the year Wendy Akete TV because no money say omukọ ye na Akete Mpenisem a whole lot because that time no must be you engine and Mpenisem no Akete ne de ne ma me so no an ode ma. And the chairman was a non for entity and recognize the channel no. And no Musan Sukoya and Akete TV, Akete Mpenisem official. ATM attorney impossible be post to mu page no to say now the official YouTube channel for Akete Mpenisem is Akete Mpenisem official. No some can answer no. And then yameti am person make nyina say Akete Mpenisem YouTube channel no wo mu create no emra bi you ba bontene be kasa wie ye. Bi you ba bontene be kasa wie no mu create YouTube channel no. And Gmail your friends wo mu di create channel no ekrampo no Akete di ewom. Eye aketebbb@gmail.com. And mu create sa Gmail no. Eti Tony created the YouTube channel for Akete. When create channel na mfa ma wo ho. Sanka ye na nka channel no na we create at what da. Ana wo Tony wo yisu di bi wo so na wo de ye de a. Aka mini problem. Ba wo be use channel no the name Akete Mpenisem no. Ana wo saba bonti be making official say. We create channel e de Akete Mpenisem. Now, who create marketing Mpenisem because no ya kwala. Who create man because ni mama ne papa enimu ye. Eti wo je e man no. So you did it in her name. It is a ne say asem aba. You have no right to take control of that channel. Enya wo dia. I put it to you say, Tony, the channel does not belong to you and it can never be yours. Say some way ko baby a Tony ubedi for. Now the Tony say okay to offer channel na. Now the person tell me say from the onset na person ko for ebebam no. From the beginning na person ko for ebebam no. Now who agenda bi wo tirim say you are going to use Akete to get something from the YouTube. You are going to use Akete to make your own YouTube platform or social media platform. Because Nyame adom when you 240 something thousand followers with Facebook and all the other two wow post here and all in the name because people think say Akete Mpenisem edia. So you manipulated the system. You actually convinced her parents to think that you are in to help them. You are in to support them. And so not just an okra woman and say you came in to the picture for your selfish interest. It is another Tony Ubejina Gachem channel no and what create channel no and omu you boniaye and so you are not going to give the channel to them. Look, Akete mami na you boniaye. Let Akete mami say whatever she wants to say. Yes, the whole world have seen that she's greedy. The whole world has seen that she's ungrateful. But the channel can never be yours, Tony. Give it to Akete. Go and give that channel to Akete Mpenisem. Now people won't say free home. You created it not because you want to make something out of it. You created it because you wanted to stop all the nonsense and the wheelbarrow and all the things that was happening between Akete and BU. You wanted to stop all that because you have your own agenda. Say, your friend saying BU is making a whole lot of money out of Akete Mpenisem, and you wanted to make sure say over titi wo muntem, and I say one of sister no be kan boom no matiti wo muntem. There are so many things there are so many nonsense things that you wrote. There are so many things that you wrote on the page, your Facebook page, you know. And whoever that will come in to say anything, they are now attacking now who did not tell. And then answer, what then has changed now? Then answer, it's the opposite of what you say. Who now create channel and today. And to turn the next opposite of what you say, Sanki, you come and will say, Coco create bank account from Akete, and I can this Coco boom, and at the end of the day, you know. It should be about Akete mami muntema. And you're going to claim the ownership of the money. And you are telling me say you claim the ownership of the money and the account. Like seriously, Tony, this can never be done in any way. This can never be done anywhere. This thing can never be done anywhere. What I say? And to me, see, one more motion me free abrochire. Ebe to me di one dance say. Emra wo ho a kire sa Akete ye man no Ghana ha na ya na sometimes nyema bi wa ye ni aye ne tra but Akete ye man no a se wo bia bibi ma Akete a na later on na wo ni Akete nya na busa for your problem then you come back to claim the ownership of that particular thing there na wo nim yo and you see moreover Tony Akete nya obi akeko Akete ye wan kesa wo nua eba wo fa se kankan minim se between na in Korea o wo fasin nimpon your own blood it means tie nyamafo eka and then Tony look be you ne o mame have no relation be you and o mame they have nothing and no sister no they have nothing in common it is o mame e get wo gini channel there and so oni ne ban look be you between atena the baby aye na djuma o ye na djuma na no ye na djuma o ye na djuma but you Tony just know say and na so jaguma na say na nsem na aba no pese obeti ase na you are going to claim the ownership of the channel trust me say later on get to know say you are fighting with your family because e be kwa aba no enye di papa konfo pe e na better Akete mami achi e wo busuani currently as I speak I have an audio a say your entire family, even your own father is against you. Your own father, which is your uncle. Your uncle now, ono ye Akete, mame, papa no. Because what do you say? When you Akete, mame no, mo your cousins, mo parents, relate as enuafo. Either say, wo tonu mame, enuabe mani Akete. Na bema en sa papa no krampo no ni buafu ni anka mu nyina ebuafu abusuani nyina ebuafu Tony sanka me ne wa ka me de channel na market ni ma pepa me nza firi ho eti delete pranks na wo de agusu no sa pranks na wo de kogu channel no so no delete sa pranks no na change bibia wo dia change na fa channel no fama Akete Mpenisem ne maame show it to them that you actually loved Akete prove to them that you really love Akete you had no bad intention when you came in as a good person to support your needs give the channel to them na pepa won sa firi ho na kokko bie wo channel de ko bie wo de na twa djuma gum na manage wan kasa wo channel na jawe ni fa Akete Mpenisem because enya wo dia channel na enya wo dia who create channel no wa bra issue ni see here no and na wo dia Akete Mpenisem details ni bibia na dey create even the Gmail account no boy Akete Mpenisem dim na e wo so enti to ni ade eti ebe yo de say wan kasa da chi na to na kobo channel na shemu a then you see Akete because Gmail no dey untumi sesa no da you can't change the name of the Gmail untumi sesa no da e meye no tonygmail.com untumi eti na wan kasa wo na obebo Gmail na shemu a na Akete a Gmail account e na wo bo ahye wayim. Look, men yes are greediness no. Men yes are stubborn no. Men yes are selfish no. And trust me say, and same way ya ko nyina abe nyina Tony o kan ubi. Because una na nka wo ya busuani a na nka obetumi lazy with unua no. Na mate nyema bi ase. Wo so na wo san so ye bema. Wo san so ye educated. So you could have prevented that noisy ayina ekoso sesia on social media no. You could have prevented it. But one yet, because of your own selfish interest, because of your prideness, because of your stubbornness, you think you say, Akete Mame have to come and apologize to you. You think you say, Akete Mame has to come down to a level to appreciate say, oh yeah, diama ninuano nebano. And so what? Who says she doesn't appreciate you? Maybe you were also doing the right thing. You were not being transparent to her because she was not educated. You chose to do whatever that you think say one kasano we need you think say that is the right thing to do. Tanka obi nneema bi so a kira Akete Mame a na wotu no fo ne ade a anka bia anka man sa. But now what adwen you say irrespective of near wo call to be as a wo turn kura we at fault mpo a the moment a wo beba bontene e ba be kan nsem bi and answer no be kan bonte ebeba bonte no people are going to see yankan nyema me de ye biu no eno anu wasan so aka ne ho biem no nyema me de ye biu no eno anu wasan kan ampa so say na ekoso bebo a say ye ode sa na ekoso. But in actual sense the black sheep is you. The devil itself no e ye wo Tony. It's always tie me masema. Yes, wa be frame me answer na me ye video. O frame me am no di nkomo kama. Me catch us mba be ye video afa ho and me bo achi. Me catch now. I told you say me ko ye video afa ho na me bo achi. It is only video now can we say my bo achi and I want you to go and give the channel to Akete. Call them. Call your father. Apologize to your father. Now fra wo ma me Akete mo. Make peace with your sister. Think about tomorrow. Think about the future. Think about tomorrow. Men dwene na ho. Dwene china. Yenya ye di wachi ye di watam yenya ye pe wasem yenya ye frefro Tony. Men fra ma no yenya hwe and now da ho na wuwu and now da ho na wo yale a ye mu bia ni we baba spend 1 week kura wo nchen. But Akete Mame betumi agya ne o ye bia be spend a whole her entire life with you just to make sure say wanto. That is the family I'm talking about. That is the love of a family. Yeah, they betumi apia de ya temo bia ye pe bia ka cho. But we can never and ever be like the way our busuafo ebeboa. Enti me irrespective of who you are. It doesn't matter what sika wo de mami. I will never let you come between you, me, and my family member. Me ma wo ma me me hye me ni mabusuafo bia ntam. Enti me nua mo, me senior brother, ye konda. Ye wia ne akan asem. Odi matem da. Ye wia ne akan asem. And I still love him irrespective of your beye mi bia no. Me dono because o ye me nua. He is the only person who can stand there for me. My junior brother is the only person who can stand there for me. My senior sister is the only person who can be there for me. My mom is the only person who can be there for me. My niece and my cousins are the only people that can be there for me. Eti abusuanfo no, memma omo meta ho. Memma omo meyi you mfiri wo. Memma omo nya adwenboni mfa ho because Tony asembe bambo akofie. Abusunya be hia mo ahia wo mo bi. Make peace with your parents. Make peace with Akete Mpenisem. And see the child as an innocent child. See the child as a friend saying, a very vulnerable person. Na fachan and the famano. Na pe pamonsa wo ho. Fachan and the famo wo mo. No mo mpe obi a obetumi amanage wo mo aba no ma wo mo. No mo nye na yi wani wo. Na ma odon tena ontem. Na ma wo mu ne se wo do Akete. Na peace no entina. Da chi Akete nyini bedwuru ba bi o wadwu na. obedwuru na nyema bi iko ya obekae se emre bi dwuri mi anko anyi mi ama emre bi dwuri mi anko wa ma ne wura mfiri me as abusua na kina bi wono so hia wo ba wa recognize wo ba na wa boa wo ba ade na Africa fo ye ni bresa ade na yetimo odensa ade na de bi pese egu ye nua ene yanyankofo enimu asesa yes and wo Akete maame nso no ne mpese mka kire wo se wo nua ne ba no de channel ne de brewa me fa mi tirimuka enkogina ba bi na wo de aba wie di a wo be kire ne se de da bi hunu se oye wo nua ketewa na ma wo don ntina ho efan ba bi no so kura wo pre wo ha adwen wo penfinfin mu dodo wo nua eboa wo sei wo nya abotre ma ne mmoa eto de channel ne ba nya abotre na wonu na hunu nua ne se oya akola na mo fa ne bone nche no na mo ne ntina odom na won tira ne ba bi nkyere na ade a wo kire na obebi no YouTube channel foforo wo de abie na we na mo sabeka na ye channel we no mo hunu kwan am fa so am be yuzu sister ama ne de wa ya de ne nipa be ye bia na wa ye se nyame boa na fi na kuma na obebo Akete bi mo fine but so onye bie mu dia no one should ever and ever blame her. No one should ever and ever be ungrateful to her. She has really done enough. Now on ten baby onya no ho asumje. Ene ma hu se bloggers for bebre ni ade e kese tia no letter bi mu ni ade screenshot bebre amanya ene ayi and your friend say ATV se mu hwe mi video amesre mo nsem no se mu nim na mu nim evidence bia wo mu a ma mo fa met na mo channel no so enyi agro enye ne sa ma mo nye sa YouTube na funa mo bie mimi ne mo pa afuna mo bie channel no don't do that wo ATV me a make say me be chateo me be send you message e wo channel na yin say add them number to what say call me I want to talk to you one frame and na eyem komo bia na mpese me no di ehia one frame me ma make I say this is be you manager me said that try was say this is be you manager still one framing what's still one framing AVT say ATV ma make am try so obi etwa ne content e de gu a na ade chia na wafa content na so de ato ho ade anchimbo na wafa content na de ato ho ye nya ne sa enye sa na react to amanfo ayi o react to be you comedy ayi videos a be you the video no to wa na wa pagya when you so good to the extent so ntimi kan wan se ba me mabeka over time me mabeka ATV comedy se de no a wo ne boy ne to na mu di ma me na tem no me wa mo evidence be na mo eye ye ne yensem nya ya beka bia na makot na wa mo so mo keka bi enti mu nya sa de no me pem asem pa mu nyai me pem asem pa mu nyai de mo ye no enti Tony fa channel no fa koma o sister na bibia